Pinus primary shoot TS mean below 1 year of plant age we call primary shoot TS. The primary Pinus shoot TS shows spheroidal outline with ridges and furrows regions. With ridges and furrows regions. Mainly the primary shoot TS of Pinus shows mainly three portions. One is epidermis, second one is cortex, third one is stele. See children here, epidermis is outer layer. It is epidermis, it is outer layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. Epidermis of Pinus made by rectangular parenchyma cells, and it gives a perfect shape to shoot, and it protected to the inner parts of the shoot. Beneath of these epidermis, cortex is present. See children, it is the cortex zone. Beneath of these epidermis, cortex is present. Again, the cortex divided into two major portions. One is outer cortex, second one is inner cortex. Outer cortex is also called hypodermis. Outer cortex is also called hypodermis. Inner cortex we call generally normal cortex. First we discussed about the hypodermis. Hypodermis present below the epidermis. Hypodermis present below the epidermis. Mainly made by collenchyma tissue. It mainly made by collenchyma tissue. The collenchyma tissues are mainly filled with chloroplast pigments. So collenchyma tissues filled with chloroplast pigments we called chlorenchyma. Chlorenchymatous hypodermis is present in the Pinus shoot TS. What is the main function of these chlorenchymatous hypodermis? At young age of Pinus shoot, it participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. And below these hypodermis, normal cortex is present. In this normal cortex, parenchymatous tissues are present. Mainly the normal cortex made by the parenchymatous tissues. In this parenchymatous tissues, resin canals are present. See children, these are the resin canals. The Pinus major general character is resin canals. Resin canals are present in the root system. Resin canals are present in the shoot system. Resin canals are present in the leaf system. Here it is shoot. So resin canals are present in the inner cortex or in the normal cortex. Below these inner cortex, stele is present. The stele surrounded by endodermis and pericycle layers. Endodermis and pericycle layers. The endodermis is single layer, pericycle also single layer. Below the pericycle, vascular bundles are present in the radial position. Vascular bundles are present in the radial position. The vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, open, endarc type. Conjoint, collateral, open, endarc type vascular bundles are arranged in the radial position of the stele. What is mean of conjoint? The xylem and phloem tissues are fused. Collateral, the fused tissues are arranged side by side arrangement. Open, between the fused xylem and phloem, cambium is present, called open. Endarc xylem. Endarc xylem means the protoxylem present towards inside, towards medullary side. So the vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, open, endarc type vascular bundles. The vascular bundles, between the two vascular bundles, medullary rays are present. Mainly the medullary rays are helps in the secondary growth. Medullary rays are helps in the secondary growth. Later we discuss how to participate in the secondary growth of Pinus. And at center region, medulla is present. Parenchymatous medulla is present. They are also called pith. The parenchymatous medulla filled with food material, storage food material. See children, up to here we discussed about the primary shoot TS. Now we discussed about the secondary shoot TS. Here it is the vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are arranged in the radial position. Vascular bundles are which type here? Conjoint, collateral, open, end arc type vascular bundles. Between the two vascular bundles, medullary rays are present. With the help of medullary rays, new cambium strips are developed. New cambium strip is developed called intervascular cambium. Intervascular cambium. It is intervascular cambium. Already the vascular bundles containing cambium tissue. Already vascular bundles contains cambium tissues called vascular cambium. Here it is the two types of cambium tissues. One is intervascular cambium developed by the medullary rays and vascular cambium present in the vascular bundles. The vascular cambium combines with intervascular cambium to form a ring-like structure. Called vascular cambium. Once the vascular cambium is formed in the steel, it continuously participated in the secondary growth. Outside of the vascular cambium, secondary phloem is developed, and inside of the vascular cambium, secondary xylem is developed. It is the secondary xylem. It is the secondary phloem. See children, it is the black layer, black oral cambium, vascular cambium. Below the vascular cambium, secondary tissues are developed. These are the secondary tissues. And outside of the vascular cambium, secondary phloem is developed. Secondary phloem, secondary xylem means secondary tissues are developed from the vascular cambium tissues. It is the continuous process. Here it is, the vascular cambium produced to outside less amount of secondary phloem to inside large amount of secondary xylem. See, during the development of these secondary xylem, the xylem tissues are developed on the season. Developed on the season means in the spring season, spring xylem is developed. In the winter season, autumn xylem is developed. Spring xylem, autumn xylem. See children, the same dicotyledon shoot TS shows the similar process of the secondary growth. Here also we observed these dicot shoot TS. Here it is, in the winter season, autumn wood is developed. In the spring season, spring wood is developed. Autumn wood cells are normal in size, small in size, and they have small cavity. And spring wood, large xylem cells. They are in large size. They maintain large cavity. Every year, these two types of xylem cells are developed from the cambium. So these vascular tissues, vascular cambium produced to inside two types of xylem cells, two types of secondary xylem cells. One is autumn wood xylem cells, spring wood xylem cells. Spring wood, autumn wood xylems are combinedly called annual ring. In every year, these two types of tissues, secondary xylem tissues, are developed. The secondary xylem tissues are two types. One is autumn wood and spring wood. Autumn wood, spring woods are combinedly called vascular annual ring. The annual rings are produced in more numbers. It is the first annual ring, second annual ring, third annual ring, fourth annual ring, fifth annual ring. Like more number of annual rings are developed by the cambium tissues to inside. And after some years, inner annual rings closed or stopped their functions. Inner annual rings closed or stopped their functions called heartwood. Heartwood is gray or brown in color, or sometimes it is turned into black color. And outside of these heartwood, gray color or brown color is present. The brown color wood is called sapwood. Sapwood is in proper function. It maintain or it conduction of water and minerals through the sapwood xylem cells. Sometimes in the heartwood, tylosis are clearly visible. Tylosis means resin cells or resins are present in the xylem cells. The resins are present in the xylem cells. They cannot help in the proper function of the conduction of water and minerals in the plants. It is the annual rings secondary growth. Based on the presence of annual ring, number of annual rings, we can easily estimated plant age. We can easily estimated plant age. We called dendrochronology. See children, up to here it is the dendrochronology. Pinus shoot TS with normal secondary growth is completed. Pinus shoot TS normal secondary growth is completed. Now Pinus needle TS shows triangle outline. Pinus needle TS shows triangle outline. Needle nothing but leaves. The leaves all look like a needle-like structures. So Pinus needle or Pinus leaf TS shows triangle-like structure. It shows mainly three major portions. One is epidermis, second one is mesophyll, third one is vascular bundle, third one is vascular bundles. Epidermis is outer layer. Epidermis is outer layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. Below the epidermis, hypodermis is present. And one more important point in the epidermis, stomata is present. Stomata is present. Stomata mainly helps in the exchange of gas. And here the stomata shows sunken stomata. The sunken stomata is present in the needle TS, in the needles. It is the xerophytic character. Sunken stomata is present in the epidermis. Below the epidermis, hypodermis is present. Hypodermis made by the sclerenchyma tissue. The sclerenchyma tissues are made in the hypodermis. It gives additional mechanical support to the leaf or additional mechanical support to the needle. Below these hypodermis, mesophyll is present. The mesophyll is contract and relaxed position mesophyll. If the plant need more photosynthesis, they are expandable. They are need less food material, they are in contracted and relaxed, expanded, and in normal position mesophyll tissues are present in the needle TS, Pinus needle TS. They containing large number of chlorophyll pigments. Large number of chlorophyll pigments. The large number of chlorophyll pigments mainly helps in the synthesis of food material by the photosynthesis. Below these mesophyll, vascular bundles are present. The vascular bundles are present at center region of the needle. Here it is only two vascular bundles are present. The two vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, open, end arc type vascular bundle. Conjoint, collateral, open, end arc type vascular bundles. Between the two vascular bundles, sclerenchymatous tissues are present. The sclerenchymatous tissues are present in the Pinus needle TS. The Pinus needle vascular bundles are covered by the pericycle and endodermis layers. Pericycle and endodermis layers. And one more important point, at corners of these needle TS, resin canals are present. Corners of the needle TS, resin canals are present. Resin canals, I am already told what is resin canals. What are the resin canals function? They are filled with resins. They are present in the Coniferaopsida plants. They are present in the Coniferaopsida plants. So children, here it is the xerophytic characters. What are the xerophytic characters? Epidermis covered by cuticle. It is one type of xerophytic character. In the epidermis, sunken stomatas are present. It is another xerophytic character. Hypodermis made by the sclerenchymatous tissue. It is also one type of xerophytic character. And between the two vascular bundles, sclerenchymatous tissues are present. The sclerenchymatous tissues are present between the two vascular bundles. It is also xerophytic character. It is also xerophytic character. See children, these are the xerophytic characters in the Pinus needle TS. So it is important for essay question.